Ianthi Shields here. I teach at Southern Hills Elementary School in Oklahoma City, and today we're out here in Piedmont and we're going to go take a little family scavenger hunt walk. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Okay, you hold his hand. Look, there's a rock. Can we go do some jumps onto it? Ready? Jump. One. Jump down. Jump. Jump down. Jump. Jump up. Jump down. Okay. Jump up. Jump down. Yes. Good job. Jump up. Jump down. All right, here we go. We're walking. We're walking. Good job. Okay, keep going. Let's see, what else do we see? What else do we see? There's a light. Okay, what letter does light start with? L. L. Let's do some lunges. Ready? 1 foot forward. 1 foot back. Knee down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. All right, here we go. Keep going. Keep going. What else do we see?
Look, a pool.
A big pond. That's right. Some water. Yeah, we do need to drink lots of water, huh? Good job, baby. Look, there's a red fence. Let's do rainbow stretches. You ready?
Yeah.
Get your arms out. Ready? Be like a rainbow. Stretch. Swirl to the other side. Oh, good job. Stretch. Swirl to the other side. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Oh, dust it off. You're okay. Keep going. Keep going. All right. We can do this in our neighborhood and you can do it in yours. Hope you guys have a great time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.